Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Elementor in WordPress. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once inside, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. It's crucial to ensure Elementor is already installed and activated there. This is your initial step to confirm the page builder is ready for use on your website. Without activation, you won't be able to access its powerful editing features. This foundational check takes just a few moments. Once Elementor is active, finding it to edit your content is straightforward. Head over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. When you hover over any page, you'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Clicking this button will seamlessly launch the Elementor editor, allowing you to visually design your page. It's a very intuitive way to start building your website's layout and content with ease. Elementor isn't just for pages, you can also use it to design your blog posts. Simply go to the Posts section within your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can either select an existing post to modify or create an entirely new one. Just like with pages, you'll find the Edit with Elementor button, which will open the builder and let you craft engaging post layouts. It offers great flexibility for all your content. Beyond individual pages and posts, Elementor has its own dedicated sections for managing templates and global settings. You can find these by looking for the Elementor menu item directly in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can access your saved templates, which are reusable designs, and adjust global styles for your entire site. This central hub gives you comprehensive control over your website's appearance and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.